inside of this box is a project. It is a pneumatic project. That is all I really know. You know, you don't really need to ask many questions. Though you can tell it's a pneumatic because that right there is where the top of the cord reel has been pushed hard. Oh wow! Against this box, and this machine has no packaging at all. So, whoa, let's see if he survived. If good old Henry here is robust enough to have been kicked halfway across the country with very little packaging. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and, pneumatic chums. How are you today? Yes, we have what appears to be on the surface a Henry. Oh my goodness, an older Henry, a 1993 old chap to be precise, which is covered in paint. I've also noticed this, just how faded the bottom is. Oh dear, oh dear. I mean, it's clean. At least the filter doesn't have any big holes in it. It's probably perfectly nice and serviceable. Yeah. Oh, Henry. Okay, I mean, right. The guy who bought this wanted an old Henry. He wants, you know, the motor of the older ones, all that jazz, blah, blah, blah. The same reason everybody wants a solid red writing Henry. The problem is, I mean, this is 1993, so this is, what, 20, 25 odd years old now. You can't always get mint straight away. So a new flex put on it as well. That is not the original style of pneumatic cable. Although, funnily enough, I think I might actually have just a replacement flex that would work very well. So yeah, certainly very abused. The first thing I want to do before we even see if this thing runs is see if this blue paint is ever likely to come off. Now I'm not rubbing hard, just enough to have, oh god, it's not, to see if this blue paint is ever going to come off. And I don't think it is. Sometimes you're lucky and it's, you know, water-based paint. Oh, it is coming off, but I'm having to scrub so hard, I'm just going to make him matte. Oh dear, shame really, because look, the Henry writing is beautiful. And then from the top, if we look around here, look, he's got, gosh knows what this is on here, and oh, that base, man, I've got to imagine someone's just put this together from a big pile of shit, which is going to bode well when we plug it in and see what it sounds like. All good. That is excellent news. The motor, at least, is good on this machine. This isn't even the right hose. This is some random modern pattern hose at that. Oh. So yeah, he's a bit of a bitzer, really, but yeah, will work okay. It's funny really, because the base does look the right era. Sometimes they've got a date in the 96, yeah, so this isn't the same base for this machine because it would, no, Becca, because the base would obviously not say 1996 with the head saying 1993, so fine, I guess. Yeah, the motor itself seems to run okay. Let's just check it survives a water lift test, see what this old style motor has in it. Oh, 80. A very nice 80. That fan case looks like it's been cleaned up ever such a lot, doesn't it? I do have a feeling that this is just a machine that has been put together by somebody who breaks Henrys for spares, which is fine, nothing wrong with that. I want to just check that this does have the right appropriate motor in it. It sounds like it does. Let's take the top off. Yeah. What year is this top? I can't actually tell. But yeah, the top's probably 1993. That's cool. This isn't. I think this is possibly different. Oof, that's all there. Still has his suppressor. Fair enough. I mean, yeah, somebody's been in there and rewired that. Let's have little peeky peek at the motor. Oh, someone's yammed that screw in. Yeah, I cleaned up fan cases with a wire wheel before. I know exactly what to look for. But fair play, that is a 1992. This is the way to date these older motors. 100992. So this possibly is the original motor to this lid. The commutator looks very clean. You can see it in there, and you can probably even redo the bearings on this at some point. So I don't know really. Yes, the machine is a bit of a Bitsa, but it's got at least a decent motor in it, which again is pretty much the best you can ask for on a machine like this. Everything else is just a Henry. Well, there we go. I mean, if you want an older Henry, this is probably a good outcome for you. This is the bottom, you need a different base, that's fine. This paint, I mean, it's never going to fully come off, but might be able to do something with it. And most importantly, the motor is good, and it is the age correct motor for that authentic old Henry sound. I'm going to talk to the owner now and see what he wants to do and where he wants to go, because I guess there's value in me refurbishing this top bit, you know, so we can put it onto something else and theory save something out of this purchase. But yes, there is nothing like the old solid writing Henrys. Let me know your comments down below. There is just something special about this motor. But in the end, 2025, the time of filming this, they're going to have seen some use. It's going to be rarer as time goes on to find a completely unmolested Henry. So it's, you know, could have been worse, could definitely have been better. I don't know. There's a good, usable machine out of this. Let me know your comments down below, and I guess we'll see this Henry another day when he's more cleaned up and better. So until then, I thank you very much for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed, and I and this Henry will see you soon. Bye bye.